Welcome to Fluent Start English channel. Here, you can learn English easily through motivational stories and simple lessons. There was a boy named Leo who lived in a small village near the mountains. He was an ordinary boy with big dreams. Every evening, he would sit outside his little house and look at the sky full of stars. He often said to himself, "One day I will do something great. One day I will make my parents proud." Leo's family was poor, and his father worked as a farmer. They didn't have much, but his parents always taught him to be kind and never give up. Leo dreamed of becoming an engineer and building something that would help his village. However, everyone around him laughed when he talked about his dream. "How can a poor boy like you become an engineer?" they said. Those words made him sad, but deep in his heart, he kept his dream alive. He didn't have money for good schools or new books, but he had something more important: hope and effort. Every day, he studied using old books that his teacher gave him. He fixed small things around the house, like broken lamps and old radios. His friends played outside, but Leo liked to learn how things worked. He started with small projects, such as building a small toy car using bottle caps and wires. It didn't move well at first, but Leo didn't stop. He tried again and again until the car rolled smoothly on the floor. That little success made him smile. It was not much, but it was a start. Leo began to understand that dreams don't grow in one night. They grow step by step. He promised himself that he would continue working, even if his steps were small. Years passed and Leo finished school with good grades, but he still couldn't afford college. He decided to work at a small repair shop in town. There, he repaired radios, fans, and small machines. It was not his dream job, but he learned something every day. Sometimes he stayed late at night reading about engines and circuits from free online lessons. His boss noticed his effort and said, "Leo, you are not just fixing machines, you are building your future." Those words gave Leo new energy. However, life was not easy. There were days when he felt tired and wanted to quit. Some of his friends got jobs in cities and started earning money, while he was still struggling. He felt left behind. But then, he remembered his father's advice: "Don't compare your beginning with someone else's middle. Keep walking." So Leo kept walking. One day, an engineer from the city visited the repair shop. Leo helped him fix a complicated machine, and the engineer was surprised by Leo's skills. He asked, "Where did you learn all this?" Leo smiled and said, "By starting small." The engineer offered him a training opportunity in the city. It was not a big salary, but it was a big chance. He took it with courage. In the city, things were different: fast, modern, and competitive. He made mistakes, failed sometimes, but never gave up. He remembered his small village and the promise he made to himself. Every time he fell, he learned something new. He realized that big dreams are not about luck. They are about patience, learning, and hard work. After many years of hard work, Leo finally became a professional engineer. He worked for a big company that built clean water systems for villages. One day, he was given a special project to bring clean water to his own village. When he arrived there, many people were shocked. They couldn't believe that the same boy who once fixed broken toys was now leading an engineering team. Leo smiled and said, "Dream big, but always start small." With his team, he worked day and night until clean water finally flowed into every home in the village. The people cheered, and his parents cried with joy. Leo looked at the mountains and remembered his first dream under the stars. He realized that every small step, Every failure and every late night had built this success. He shared his story with the village children and told them, "Don't be afraid of small beginnings. Every great thing starts small. A tree begins as a seed, and a journey starts with one step." The children listened with shining eyes, and one little girl said, "I want to be like you." Leo smiled and replied, "Then start today. Read one page, learn one thing, take one step." From that day, Leo continued to inspire others, not by words alone, but by his story. His life became proof that dreams do come true when you work for them with heart, hope, and hard effort. He didn't just change his own life, he changed his village forever. And so the message of Leo's story spread far and wide. Dream big, start small, and never give up. Please subscribe to our channel to join our learning family. Hit the like button if you enjoy our videos and share with your friends to help them learn too. Comment below your favorite stories or any questions you have. Your feedback helps us make better videos for you.